Welcome to today's video, showcasing some insane driving moments which don't end well. Whether that's a crash, instant karma, or really stupid decisions. Be sure to watch carefully and learn exactly how not to drive.
The right shoulder.
This driver got pulled up on by a cartel but had great reaction times and managed to escape. The consequences of either being on your phone or falling asleep behind the wheel. Even in a rainstorm, people want to be rushing through, but lacking intelligence has consequences.
Among the new data today, CNN's final survey, which shows Harris maintaining a narrow advantage in 2 of the 3 blue wall states. In other words, they've got Harris leading Trump among likely voters 48-43 in Michigan. 5-point leading Trump in Wisconsin, 51-45.
Don't mind me, I'm just going to turn here without signaling or checking my mirrors. The funniest thing about this is that they crash into the police. The chances of that were low, but clearly not low enough.
A lot of glass there. Oh my god, the back was mauled.
Doing that on the road is annoying, but running them over is not the answer. I agree with the caption, but you can also avoid driving like an idiot to increase the chances of survival.
Several days later.
Close call, but great control from the driver.
Oh my god!
He was willing to die for that turn. You have to appreciate the dedication.
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
Roll over. Guy hit me real hard. He rolled.
Oh my god, where are you?
The black car nearly causes a crash right before actually causing a crash. Driver tries to swerve in and out of lanes at speeds he cannot handle and crashes, but luckily he didn't damage any other vehicles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Don't mind me, I see you coming, but I'm just gonna turn now anyways.
Whoa!
Impatient driver tries to overtake the overtaker and crashes.
Lock video.
Godfather, the ultimate. As a side note, I would tell people, for Godfather fans, read the book. It's one of the best fiction. I mean, it's a reason why the movie was so good. Well, all of them. Actually, not the third one, the 1 and 2. The book is incredible. So if there are Godfather fans out there who have not read the book, I highly recommend it. I'm going to like timidly ask you, have you seen The Godfather? The ultimate. As a side note, I would tell people, for Godfather fans, read the book. It's one of the best fiction. I mean, it's a reason why the movie was so good. Well, all of them. Actually, not the third one, the 1 and 2. The book is incredible. So if there are Godfather fans out there who have not read the book, I highly recommend it.
Willing to sacrifice his life to save himself a minute of waiting at a red light.